Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Shayla Jai, and this video we are gonna be opening up the Boxycharm Luxe. Well, oh no, the Boxyluxe. I just read this. The Boxyluxe, which is every 3 months. You get, I believe, 9 or 11 items, full-size items. This is really heavy. I do believe this retails for like $49.99, around like $50. You are supposed to get over, I believe, 100 for sure over $100 worth. I think it might be 300, but I don't know. And I don't know what I got, so I'm gonna like take off my makeup and then put stuff on as I go. I know I did get a couple like skincare products. I think I got like one skincare, I don't know. I think there was like a skincare that you get, but we will see. So I am opening this up. Okay, so it gets padding and everything. You do get a like a card or pamphlet that tells you everything you got and the price. Oh, okay. Let me see. So the first thing that I am seeing here, which I'm so excited because I really wanted to try this out for myself, which is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, which is instant lasting volume and texture volume spray. So this retails for $29 and it is full size. So let me see. You need to get a, ooh, like that. I like the spray. All right, so first product down. Well, as we move on, I am seeing this bag. I'm getting this little bag here, so let me open this up. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, it's a, this is so cute. And it's really soft. This is very cute. Oh, I love it. It's so soft. And then it comes with like a little attachment. That's cute. Let me see. Oh, and the, let me see. It's like a blow dryer on the go. You can take it for travel. And the blow dryer retails for, am I seeing this right? Mini turbo on the go. Okay, so this little mini blow dryer retails for $85. It's a lot of money for a little blow dryer. Let's plug it in. I want to plug it in and see how it okay. Oh yeah. You can definitely blow dry your hair dry with this. It does have nice like power behind it. Yeah, this is very nice, really nice. Okay, so we do have a Dr. Brandt product, and this one is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. For all skin types. This one retails for This one retails for $35. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with this and I'll be right back. Because I do see some more skincare products and stuff, so I'm gonna do my makeup as we do this. Okay. Okay, my face feels tight. Feels a little tight. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It feels nice. I mean, it's like a gel cleanser. So next we have a resurfacing night serum. So this is by Honey. This is by Pharmacy. It's called Honeymoon Glow. It's a night serum. And this retails for, where is it? This retails for $58. And I'm just going to go ahead and, I know it's a night serum. Whatever. I'm just going to definitely just go ahead and put some on, because why not? Okay, it looks cute. So it's in a bottle like this. And okay, I'm gonna give me some pumps in here. Okay, so this says apply a generous layer 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin at night, avoiding eyes and lips. Use 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequently use. Allow products to dry and follow with sleep tight firming night balm. Okay, it's not nighttime. I'm not going to sleep, but I'm still gonna put a little bit on, just cause. Oh, my daughter's doing the same thing to her face. You patting? I did tell you this retails for $58, so there you go. Next, we have a lot of skincare products. Okay, so next we have the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. I did like their primer. I really did like their primer. I don't think I have any more. Yeah, I don't have any more of it, but it came in like a pink bottle that we got in one of our Boxycharms in one of our previous months. But I really did like that, so I think I'm gonna like this one. It's supposed to help making your makeup last longer. Very like serum-y. Oh, that feels nice. It definitely feels it feels oily a little bit, but we'll see how it does, I guess. I'm gonna go put my foundation, my base, everything else on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Face done. Eyebrows done. Well, base on, I should say. Okay, so next in the box you get the Tarte Pro Glow 3. I believe this is the new one. Not 100% sure, but I believe this one's the new one. Let's see. This one does retail for $45. Alright. And then you just open it up like that. Has the mirrors, the 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. Show up. Okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna mix both of them. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Ooh, okay. Okay, I mean, you need a little more. A little more. A little more. Okay. Okay, so just kind of do that, then my forehead, my big old 5 head. Okay. So, it's heavy. The palette itself is a little heavy. Not gonna lie. I like to have like heavy or weight to my makeup, but this is a little too heavy. I'm not sure if people are gonna like that. And then I'm dipping to like the highlighter. This is not like okay. Alrighty. I used this blush right here. Oops. I used this blush right here, this highlighter shade, and this. Basically this. I used this side. So, you can see. Alright. Next, I have the Tresket. I don't know how to pronounce this. Oh, Good Vibes mascara. This retails for $25. I've never used a mascara like this before. So, yeah. Okay. Ah! This is so scary. Okay, let me see. Flip down to curl. Oh my, okay, hold up. You gotta curl, okay, so you curl your lashes like that. And I don't know if my lashes are even gonna fit in here. Oh Lord. Like you gotta take this in sections, I see. Oh, hold up, I'm not done using you. There we go. So I'm gonna try to tap. Ah, there we go. I don't like this. I don't like this. I like the idea, the concept, but I think like, let me grab it. I can just grab like my regular one and then go in and it has the whole lash. Do it and then be done. With this, it's like so small. You have to like take it in sections. So you have to do like this one, like that, and that's basically. Or if I'm just don't know what to do, or if that's not how you use it, then please let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, where is the wand? Oh, so this. Okay. I like the brush. I like a fat one that kind of curves in the middle. Okay, I mean, the mascara is not bad. Actually, I really like the mascara. The smell is a little strong. Normally normally I'm not able to like smell my mascara, but this, you can like really smell it. Ooh. Oh my god. Look. Look at my lashes. Oh my god. Look at my lashes. Favorite mascara ever. No, I'm just kidding. Just playing. Oh wait, why do I keep doing that? I'm gonna do the bottom, the ones too. So just kind of boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. There we go. I don't like a thick bottom lash. I don't like a thick bottom lash. Just a little bit's enough. Okay. We have 2 more items. I'm loving this mascara. Holy. So the next we have from Dominique Cosmetics. This is a lip gloss, I think. This does retail for $17. Ooh. I got mine in the shade Lemonade. I love the packaging. It's really cute. So cute. Okay, so let me see. Okay, it's like really sticky. It's sticky. Sticky, 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 sticky. Ooh, it smells really good. I like the smell. I like how it smells. I have not tried anything Dominique Cosmetics before, so it's my first time. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. I really do like this. Oh, like the color. It smells good, but it's not like too much. All right. Last but least. Last thing I have is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. This retails for $35. This is like a illuminating skin refresh mist. So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, it smells different. It smells like minty and something else, like plants maybe. All right. Alright guys, that's everything I got in my Boxyluxe box in the month of June. I will leave my link in my description down below, and check that out if you guys are interested in some of these products, or you guys really like this box. Go ahead and sign up down below. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.